Hello artists, get ready to explore the wonderful world of shapes. Today we are diving into 2D shapes, drawing them step by step and filling them with colors, beautiful colors. Let's learn and create together, kids. Together. First color name: brown color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, red color, and pink color, light pink color, green color, blue color, silver color, black color, light green color, and sky blue color. Yes, this is color side and shapes drawing green color 2D shapes: cloud, cross, moon, rhombus, heart, pentagon. Kids, start 2D shapes drawing. First 2D shapes: cloud, cross, moon, rhombus, heart, pentagon. Kids, pentagon. Color fill, kids. First color, green color, cloud. Kids, cloud. Red color, kids, cross, cross symbol, cross symbol. Sky blue color, moon, sky blue color, kids, moon. Yellow color, kids, rhombus. Light pink color, heart, light pink color, heart. Purple color, pentagon. Purple color, pentagon. Cloud, cross, moon, rhombus, heart, pentagon. Kids, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.